Today we'll be learning Chapter 1, Lesson 3, Translating and Solving Equations. I've already took my time to write out most of the examples. First, we need to translate word sentences into expressions or equations. 8 more than a number. So that means it would be addition. Be 8 plus n. A number decreased by 3 be n minus 3, because subtraction means decrease. The quotient of a number in 7 is 9. Quotient is going to involve division, so be n divided by 7 equals 9. Twice the number diminished by 4, 2n minus 4, because diminished would be minus 4, and twice the number would be 2 times n. 4 times the sum of x and y equals negative 8. We're going to put x and y into parentheses because 4 is being distributed to both of them, and equals negative 8. 2 subtracted from x would be x minus 2. You have to pay attention to the order, since if it was 2 subtracted by x, it would be 2 minus x. W less than 6 would be 6 minus w. 12 is less than g, would be g is greater than 12. Keywords to remember: is means equals, of means multiplication. Here's some example problems. 14x minus 3 equals 25. First we'll add 3 to both sides to try and get the x alone. 14x equals 28. Then you divide 14 on each side, and x equals 2. Negative 1w divided by 5 equals 6. First we're going to multiply 5 to each side. Then we'll be left with negative 1y equals 30. To divide negative 1 on each side, it would be w equals negative 30. 6x minus 4 equals 2 times 3x plus 8. So first we're going to distribute 2 to 3x and 8. So 6x minus 4 equals 2 times 3x equals 6x. 2 times 8 equals 16. Add 4 to each side to try and get this variable alone. 6x equals 6x plus 20. You'll have to, these two variables, they'll cancel each other out, equaling 0. So 0 equals 20. And that's false, so that's a false equation. Here's the second part of this lesson: literal equations. When solving an equation, exclude variables of any variable that makes the denominator 0 at the beginning and end of the equation. So this is just excluding numbers that equal 0. 5 over x. The one that cannot equal 0 is x, since it's at the bottom of the denominator. So x cannot equal 4. Solve for x and list the excluded values. Plus b equals c. First we're going to subtract b from each side. So ax equals c minus b. We're going to get the x alone by doing this. So now we know that a cannot equal 0. And x equals c minus b over a. And that's as simple as that. The next example is x divided by r minus h equals 4. So x over r minus h equals 4. R cannot equal 0. And so we're going to add And that's how it'll be distributed. This is the only variable that cannot equal 0. And that is that. Thank you for listening.